Huawei is back in the spotlight, and this time it's because the Mate 80 series is performing far better than many expected. According to a new report shared on Weibo, shipments of the Huawei Mate 80 lineup have jumped by an impressive 115% compared to the Mate 70 series. What makes this even more surprising is that this growth happened in just the first 15 days after launch. This early performance suggests that the Mate 80 series has struck a strong chord with consumers. While Huawei has faced many challenges in recent years, this data points to growing confidence in its flagship phones, at least in its home market. The information comes from RB Observation, a well-known source on Weibo, and while it is based on third-party data, the numbers are still hard to ignore. One of the most interesting details from this report is which model is driving the majority of sales. The standard Huawei Mate 80, not the Pro or Ultra versions, is clearly the star of the lineup. It reportedly accounts for around 75% of total Mate 80 shipments. That is a huge share, especially for a vanilla flagship model in a market where premium versions usually attract the most attention. The reason behind this success seems to be a mix of pricing and practicality. The standard Mate 80 is said to offer a more affordable entry point while still covering the core features most users care about. On top of that, Huawei finally brought 3D face recognition back to this model, which has been a highly requested feature. For many buyers, this combination of familiar flagship features without an extreme price tag appears to be the sweet spot. On the other end of the lineup, the Mate 80 Pro Max and the RS Ultimate design models are also performing respectably, though their numbers are much smaller. Together, these two premium models make up about 10% of total sales. Considering their high prices, this is still a solid result. These devices are aimed at users who want the very best Huawei has to offer, including high-end displays and powerful Kirin Pro chipsets. Interestingly, the Mate 80 Pro sits in an unusual position. According to the report, it has the lowest share of sales in the entire lineup, with around 5% of total shipments. This could suggest that buyers are either choosing the more affordable standard model or going all in on the top-tier Pro Max and RS versions. The Pro model may be stuck in the middle, offering neither the best value nor the most premium experience. What really stands out is the speed at which these sales numbers were achieved. Reaching a 115% increase over the Mate 70 series in just 15 days is no small feat. It shows strong launch momentum and suggests that demand hasn't cooled off after the initial release window. Some users online are already predicting that the Mate 80 series could challenge the Mate 60 lineup, which reportedly reached around 16 million units in sales. If this momentum continues, there is even talk that the Mate 80 series could approach or surpass the 20 million sales mark over time. That would be a major milestone for Huawei, especially given the competitive pressure from other flagship brands and ongoing limitations in certain global markets. Of course, it's important to stay realistic. These figures are based on third-party observations and have not been officially confirmed by Huawei. They should be taken as reference data rather than final, audited numbers. Still, even with that caution in mind, the trend is clear. The Mate 80 series is performing very well, and consumer interest appears to be strong. Overall, the early success of the Huawei Mate 80 lineup sends a clear message. Huawei's flagship strategy, especially its focus on a strong and reasonably priced base model, seems to be paying off. If the company can maintain this momentum, the Mate 80 series could become one of Huawei's most successful flagship releases in recent years.